This is a video about the heliguy.com website. There's a form on there if someone is asking how to repair these shafts. Now, I don't know anyone else that has an Apache, but I hear they're pretty bad. There's many reviews on YouTube. One of them really badly criticises it. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to strip this down to remove the top piece here with the inner shaft and the outer shaft, these blades. So I hope this helps. First step is to take the canopy off. One or two ways to do this is to pull off the bottom plate there. But I find it's a lot easier to remove the casing, the canopy altogether. If you're wondering why I got sticky tape here and have only got 2 screws to remove, it's because I have modified my helicopter so much that I've lost a lot of parts and I only have 2 screws left. That's what we're left with after removing the canopy. First step in removing the top assembly is to unscrew these 2 screws here. 1 and 2. You don't need to undo them all the way, just enough to let the shaft slide out. Then we're left with a gear, then a shaft. These purple parts, by the way, lilac, whatever you want to call it, are CNC upgrades for the llama. I broke this piece here a few minutes after flying it, got about 10 from the shop that I bought it from, broke those 3 months later, and I could not find any parts anywhere. So I just went for the $50 option and bought the AH-64 llama upgrades. First step in removing the bottom set is to take that screw out, just enough for that to slide off. This is all pretty much the same as the AH-64 llama. If you've got one of those, you don't need to watch the video. But to remove the bottom set, just remove that collet there. There we have all of our parts completely stripped down. Now we have the fantastic putting them back together. We have it completely reassembled and stripped down.
Get on it.